Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for smart home solutions. Today we have something truly special to talk about, the FATORRI Small Bookshelf. If you're dealing with limited space, but still want a stylish way to organize your books and decor, you're in for a treat. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our home improvement tips. Let's kick things off with the unboxing. When you receive your FATORRI Small Bookshelf, you'll find all the parts neatly packaged along with easy-to-follow instructions. Assembling this beauty is a breeze. With clear instructions and all the necessary tools provided, it took me just around 30 minutes to have it ready to use. Now let's dive into what makes this bookshelf a game changer. First, the design. It's a perfect blend of modern and rustic styles. The brown wood and X-shaped metal frame add a touch of farmhouse charm while providing you with a stylish storage solution. One of the things I love about this bookshelf is its sturdiness. Thanks to the additional support rods, it can handle quite a bit of weight. The top shelf can hold up to 160 lbs, while the lower shelves support up to 130 lbs each. Now, let's talk about versatility. This bookshelf is a space-saving genius. Whether you're placing it in your living room, bedroom, office, or even the entryway, it seamlessly fits into any space. It's not just for books. You can display your favorite decor, picture frames, or even use it for practical storage. Keeping your room organized has never looked this good. In conclusion, the FATORRI Small Bookshelf is a fantastic addition to any space. It's not only stylish but also functional and space-saving. If you're looking to keep your room organized and accessible, this bookshelf is your answer. Don't miss out on the opportunity to maximize your space and add a touch of rustic charm to your home. Link in comment box. Thanks for tuning in to Techwise USA Review. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more home improvement ideas, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video.